This review is of Simply Nature Organic Chopped Spinach. Non-GMO, of course, because it's USDA organic. No preservatives, good source of vitamin C. And no artificial ingredients and preservatives. Instructions and blurb. Calories. One serving has 25 calories, no fat or cholesterol. 40 milligrams of sodium for some stupid reason, 4 grams of carbs, no sugars or fibers, 2 grams of protein. And it did say organic spinach, but that got cut off. Product of Ecuador. Well, I'm kind of disappointed that it has salt in it. Okay, so I would say it tastes better than canned spinach, but not as good as fresh spinach. Yeah. Of course, I like it fresh as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll give it an 8.